Hi, myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn about finding one's hotel conversation part 2nd. If you have not watched the previous video, please go and check that one first, and then you watch this video, then it will be more easy to understand for you. Before starting the video, I have one request for all my viewers. Watch the video till the end. I hope whatever your doubt, queries may be crystal clear, means शीशे की तरह साफ. So let us start with exercise 1. Sentences where's the hotel please. So in this sentence we can notice here hotel. Instead of hotel we can use different words or different vocabs. Let us see one by one what's the word is. Number 1 word is the drugstore. Second, the post office. Third, the police station. Fourth, the library. Fifth, the center of town. So these words how we can use in sentence, let us see one by one. Number 1, the drugstore, and in sentence we will use this one like this. Where's the drugstore please? Next word is the post office. In sentence we will use this one like this. Where's the post office please? Next word is the police station. In sentence we will use this one like this. Where's the police station please? Next word, the library. In sentence we will use this one like this. Where's the library please? Next word is the center of town. We will use this word in sentence like this. Where's the center of town please? Exercise 2. Sentence is it's the next street straight ahead. Here we can notice that instead of next we can use different word and vocabs such as first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Sentence is first one we will use in sentence like this. It's the first street straight ahead. Second is second word is second, and we will use this one in sentence like this. It's the second street straight ahead. Third, next word is third. Third we will use in sentence like this. It's the third street straight ahead. Next word is fourth, and we will use this fourth in sentence like this. It's the fourth street straight ahead. Next word is fifth, and this one we will use in sentence like this. It's the fifth street straight ahead. Exercise 3. Sentence is it's straight ahead. Here in this sentence we can notice that straight ahead, instead of straight ahead we can use different words and vocabs such as around the corner, 2 blocks from here, past the post office, near the library, right after the stoplight. So how we will use this word in sentence, let us see one by one. First word is around the corner. In sentence we will use this one like this. It's around the corner. Second word is 2 blocks from here. We will use this one word in sentence like this. It's 2 blocks from here. Next word is past the post office. This word we will use in sentence like this. It's past the post office. Next word is near the library. We will use this word in sentence like this. It's near the library. Next word is right after the stoplight. We will use this word in sentence like this. It's right after the stoplight. Exercise 4. Here we will learn that how we can ask question in different ways. So number one way, where's the hotel? And second type we can ask that one like this. Can you tell me where the hotel is? So we can ask the same meaning it is coming out, and that we are searching for hotel, this method also, and we can ask in this method also. Second example is our where's the drug store. First way of asking question. Second way of asking question is can you tell me where the drug store is. Third example, where's the post office. First way of asking question. Second way of asking question will be like this. Can you tell me where the post office is. Fourth example, where's the police station. First way of asking question. Second way of asking question will be like this. Can you tell me where the police station is. Fifth example, where's the library. First way of asking question. Second way of asking question will be like this. Can you tell me where the library is. Sixth example, where's the center of town. First way of asking question. Second way of asking question will be like this. Can you tell me where the center of town is. Here is some information for all my viewers. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana. And also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching the video. So take care of yourself and bye-bye.